Hello, my name is Michaela Williams, and we'll be talking about Kirchhoff's two laws. The first law we will be talking about is Kirchhoff's current law, also known as KCL, or as the junction rule. What is important about this law is that any currents that enter must be equal to the currents that leave. So for example, for this first problem, we have I1 and I2 going in, and I3 is coming out. So I1 plus I2 is equal to I3. And for the second problem, we have I1 and I2 entering and I3 is leaving. So we have I1 plus I2 is equal to I3. There are some important things you should remember for Kirchhoff's current law, such as the sum of the currents that enter the junction is equal to the sum of currents that leave it. Currents that enter have a positive sign, and currents that leave have a negative sign, and that this equation is basically the conservation of charge. The second one we'll be talking about today is Kirchhoff's voltage law, also known as the loop rule. With this equation, it is important to remember that the sum of the voltages are always equal to 0. And to solve these kind of problems, you need three equations. You need one for the currents, and you need one for each loop. At least for this example right here. If you were to have multiple loops, you would need more loop equations. So what is important to remember for Kirchhoff's voltage law is that it's for conservation of energy, and the algebraic sum of the potential differences in any loop must be equal to 0, hence that the voltage is equal to 0. Thank you. This was my Minute Physics video project.